Your new sofa has arrived. Let's put it together. All you need are 2 people and 20 minutes. No tools required. First, gently open the box. Now, remove all the parts packed in the seat boxes. Take a minute to verify that you received all the parts listed on the instruction sheet. Good? Okay, let's keep going. Grab scissors and carefully open the compressed bags containing the seat backs and cushions. Then, insert them into the covers. Depending on the style, this step may already be done. Now, place the seat boxes on the floor on their angled back rails. Slide them together and attach them with the 3 hand bolts. Seriously, you don't even need an Allen wrench. Now, we're ready to attach the arms. Place each arm on the seat box with the loose cover on the outside and attach with 2 bolts. Pull the arm fabric down, attach the hook and loop to the seat box and close the dust cover. Place the backs onto the seat box using the attached male-female protectors and secure them with the 3 hand bolts, 1 in each arm and 1 to attach the backs together. Secure the hook and loop to the seat box. Attach the legs by twisting the bolt into the T-nut. You may have to hold the fabric down while you twist it into place. Lastly, insert the backs and cushions. Sit down, relax, and congratulate yourselves.